If you change a URL or delete a page on your WordPress site without setting up a redirect, anyone who clicks the old link gets a 404 error. That means lost traffic, lost rankings, and any backlinks pointing to that page become worthless. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a 301 redirect in WordPress the right way using a free plugin. It takes about 2 minutes. So what is a 301 redirect? A 301 tells browsers and Google that a page has permanently moved to a new URL. Without one, visitors hit a dead end, Google drops the page from its index, and any link authority you built up on that URL is gone. With the 301 in place, all of that, the traffic, the rankings, the link equity, transfers to the new URL automatically. It's one of the simplest things you can do to protect your SEO. The plugin we're using is called Redirection. It's free. It's the most popular redirect plugin for WordPress, and it's what we use here on our own site at Pronto. If you don't have it yet, you can just scroll to the top of this plugin page, find Add Plugin, and search for Redirection right here. So install it, activate it, then run through a quick setup wizard. It only takes a minute. We already have it installed and active, so I'm going to jump straight into setting up a redirect. Okay, so to get to the plugin, we're going to scroll on the left-hand side until we see Tools. We hover on that and go down to Redirection. Once we arrive here, we click Add New, and we'll be met with this form here. We're first going to look at the source URL, which is the relative URL that you want to redirect from. So in other words, the old URL. I have something copied already, so I'll paste it in. This is WordPress maintenance services. Underneath, exact match in any order you can leave. We can look at the target URL, and for this, I want to put /website support, just like that. Then underneath here at Pronto, we have URL or redirect groups. You likely will not, but if you do, you can just go down to something like general redirections, and that's it. You can click Add Redirect. Okay, and after about 30 seconds, you will see your redirect here at the very top, which we do, WordPress maintenance services. We want to do a quick check to make sure it is a 301, which it is. You can click Check Redirect right here. And if we look at the results here, we can see that the URL entered in was WordPress maintenance services. It was redirected to website support, and it was loaded successfully. So this is a successful redirect. Before I wrap up, a few quick tips that will save you some headaches. First, use relative URLs in the source fields. So just /old-page, not the full yourwebsite.com/old-page. This keeps things clean and avoids issues if you ever change domains. Second, if you are migrating a site and have dozens of URLs to redirect, you can bulk import them using a CSV file. The plugin has that built in. That's a whole video on its own, and we'll cover that separately down the road. And third, check your redirect logs. Redirections tracks every hit on your redirect so you can see which old URLs are still getting traffic. Really useful for understanding what's actually being used. That's it, 301 redirects in just a couple minutes. If this was helpful, consider subscribing. We publish tutorials like this every week for WordPress site owners.